quick little bite of Route 16. I just been rapping for the last half hour. I should have been recording, but there's this new road that I found. Not really Catskills TT, just stage 16, we call it. Look at that. Beautiful little pond. We got a couple of twisties coming right up over here. Some really twisty boys. I've never been here before, so I don't know what's around each turn, so I can't exactly send it. Look at this. Beautiful house right there. God damn. That is adorable. This is a truly twisty boy here. This road. I think 4th is a good combo. Look at this beauty. I was next to Hamden, New York. Is, I guess, the name of the town. Where are the turns? I don't see them. We got left, right, left. Guess we got a stop sign coming up. Probably should slow down to the appropriate speed limit. I'm not sure if this little road continues or not. It might. I've been kind of savaging this poor town. Had to pass a couple of big trucks. Alright, let's slow down. What is this town? Where are we? Croton House. Ooh, beautiful. This is a gorgeous little place. Gorgeous little place. We'll respect the town. Nice little K truck over there. And I guess this turned into a little back road. I don't like how gray the sky is. It's not supposed to rain, but I saw a deer earlier, literally just middle of fucking road chilling. I actually had to like pull up to it and honk. 3.4 miles. We're good. roads that definitely have some gravel on them, for sure. I'm going to Oneonta. I was gonna go straight to Lowe's first because I need to go to Home Depot and Lowe's and whatnot, and but I think I'm gonna go to Main Street and have a meal first. There's a place called Autumn Cafe, and back when I used to, Oneonta is my college town, and back in the day I used to go there and get a tuna melt with potato salad. I'm not so sure I'm gonna get a tuna melt today, but I'll definitely try to get that potato salad because hopefully they still got it. No internet connection here, so 2.7 miles. When you left, 2:16, I guess. Super sharp turn over here. The back even slid out a little bit. Perfect place for a deer to come out. Nice and damp, nice and cool. What's the temperature? 72. It's not bad. 72 is downright gorgeous. And tomorrow I'm taking a long way back to the city. Long way. Not everybody loves these Catskills rides, but I do. Look at the sweeper. Fucking gravel. Never done these roads before. I can't believe I found a road in this area, like a pretty major road that goes to Oneonta, that I haven't been to yet. It's kind of adorable. I really like it. Look at this driveway. Hot damn. Oh, that's not a driveway, that's a whole road. That's a whole ass road. Go to my college campus and maybe take a walk up to this place called Table Rock, which was a little hangout spot back in the day. We'll see. It's still early. It's 12 o'clock. Nobody here, nobody there. So where do I come out? What is this? Interesting. Anyway, I think that was probably it for the twisties. North Franklin. Okay, could do that. I'm game. There we go. Oneonta, 5 miles. All right. There we go. Now I know where I am. What is that? Fresh eggs. Now I know exactly where I am. This thing takes me straight to Lowe's. These are some fun turns as well. Next 5 miles or so. Yeah, I'm gonna get some gas right away just because I'm about to do some slow cruising around campus and around town. So I'm gonna go by my old frat house. That's gonna be fun. I swear there's gonna be a couple of good turns coming up, but there is a lot of cops around here. It's a big college town. Huge. Motorcycle back then, back when I was in school, I would have 100% hit these roads on the bike. Look at these turns. I wonder if there's a motorcycle store in Oneonta. Not that I need anything, I'm just curious to see. Please. Nice turn right here. Hopefully there's nobody on the other side. All right, and then one to the left. It's okay. Oh, it's actually going to be a double lane, I believe. The best turns. And now this happens. Always does. It's okay. We made it all the way till Oneonta, baby. People are chilling. And I can pass them here, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna let them do their thing. Anyway, alright, I'll pick it back up when I'm giving you an intimate little tour of my college town and my campus and all that. Alright, but for now, talk to you later. We are in Oneonta. Bye.